What's going on, family? Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about swing trading, give a definition of how it's done and how I swing trade. Make it very easy. Some of us work day jobs, some of us work night jobs, and we ain't got the time to sit in front of a computer and day trade all day. Plus, if you don't have $25,000 inside your brokerage accounts, most of these platforms is not going to allow you to day trade. So that consists of only doing 3 trades within a 5-day period. And repeat that again, 3 trades within a 5-day period. Also, I am not, and I'm gonna repeat this, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you how I do my day trading and how I do my swing trading. You know what I mean? Mostly swing trade. You know what I mean? So pay attention. This is how it goes. This is how we're gonna get this thing started. The definition for swing trading is: swing trading is a short to medium term trading strategy used in financial markets. Traders aim to capitalize on price swings or fluctuations in assets valued that typically occur over a few days to a few weeks. So basically what that is saying is, say if you buy some stocks today, all right? And day trading is when you trade on the second, on the minute, on the hour. But swing trading is you wait. You can either buy some today and sell it tomorrow. You can buy some today and sell it next week. You can buy some today and sell it next month. That's a swing trade. Let's get the two understood. Day trading is on the second, on the minute, on the hour. Swing trading is days, weeks, and months apart. So basically you're just looking for that growth. You know what I mean? And with the stock game, man, how I like to do it, I like to set markers. In the links, it'll be well, in the description, there'll be a link to Acorns, which is a penny stock platform, which they do it for you. And I also put one in there for Robinhood and Webull, which on Robinhood and Webull, you can set markers on each one of these platforms so you'll know, when your stock is going up and when it's going down. So you get that alert when it goes up and meet a certain price point, or you get that alert when it goes down and meet a certain price point. So you say, well, I'm gonna sell or I'm gonna hold. You know what I mean? Me personally, I do quick sales. I do quick flips. And as I earn that interest, you know what I'm saying, I leave it in the brokerage account, stack it up, and go for more stocks just to keep that portfolio growing. You dig what I'm saying? So, like I said, it's not hard, all right? Unlike day trading, swing traders hold unlike day trading, swing traders hold positions overnight, taking advantage of both upward and downward price movements. You know what I mean? The strategy involves technical analysis, charts, patterns, and sometimes fundamental analysis to identify potential entry and exit points. So basically, you know what I'm saying, those candlesticks, you got the red, you got the green, you know what I'm saying? You want to catch stuff when it's low and sell when it's high. But me personally, I look at some of these analyst charts and I see how they rock up and down and stuff like that. You know what I mean? It's a help. But me, I go on instinct. I go on the news. I go on, you know what I'm saying, what's happening with the company. You know what I mean? Meaning that I make a watch list. You know what I'm saying? They got an app called Alpha Seeking Alpha, and you can also do this on Yahoo Finance. Create you a watch list of any one of the stocks that you're participating in purchasing. You know what I mean? So you can, hear all the latest news on them. You know what I mean? Also, there's an app on the phone called Bloomberg, which they got a paid for version, but you can get enough information off of the free version to kind of get you crunk and started. But to go into detail, they got a paid version. So me, I just search that internet and I browse the internet for any information that I can find truthfully about this company, as well as keeping my tabs on the company. You know what I mean? That's how I do my trading. Successful swing traders focus on trends, momentum, and aiming to capture profits within a defined trading range. So basically, it's like you watching the company from where it was, let's say in January, and where it's now at in March. You know what I mean? Like you can do you can analyze on how the company was doing last year at this same time and how it's doing this year at this same time. You can look into the company and see whether they're getting ready to make acquisitions, like merge with another company, purchase another company, or finna downsize. You want to know everything about that company, and it's not hard information. It's very easy. It's just like picking up your phone, going on these social sites. Hell, you can even go on your social sites and type in some of your, your stocks or your ETFs or bonds or mutual funds or whatever it is you getting ready to purchase or have purchased, and people just put information on there. So you got to kind of weigh that thing out by ear. It's no strategic way of doing it. It's all about what satisfies you, and don't get emotional. And I always tell people this: Do not invest money that you're not willing to lose. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a win-win-win and it's a lose-lose-lose. And remember this, what goes up must come down, and what goes down must go back up. So you want to try and catch that thing at the down point when it's getting ready to go back up, or you want to catch it right there in the middle. You know what I mean? Never buy when it's high. Don't let your emotions, you know what I'm saying, say, look, this is a good stock because it's a good company. Some companies look like they real good at making millions of dollars and they really struggling. You know what I mean? Look at their price and earnings sheets. Look at their balance sheets. You know what I mean? Look how much credit they got out there. You know what I mean? Look how much liquidated cash they got in their accounts. All this stuff is public information. But this just was a short video, man, and I put that out there because I've been having a couple of questions come to me. You know what I mean? And this is just the way I do it. If I said anything that went over anybody's head, which it shouldn't have, but if it did, because I was a slow learner, I started reading. I got a book called Learning Stock for Dummies, Learning Fundamentals of Stocks. You know what I mean? These are all things that people don't put together in their head. So same way you learn something, put it together, is the same way somebody else learns something, put it together. You know what I mean? Somebody you bound to be successful somewhere, and then you put out that. Everybody don't put out the bad because it's upside and downsides on everything. But the stock market is undefeated. Undefeated. You know what I'm saying? So check it out, learn it, click on these links, get subscribed to my video, and anything y'all want me to talk about, any Pacific stock you want me to talk about, you know what I mean, any Pacific ETF you want me to talk about, hey, just put it in the comments and I'll go for it. Peace, 100.